everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, how to use portrait mode for background blur on Realme P4x. At first, you have to move on camera. After that, from here, you have to select the portrait mode. Then after that, you can even use this option. This is the soft light mode. This is the filter, but I just select on the none. And this is also the filter. If you want different types of shade, then you can use it. And here's the you can say filter, this one also. And after that, from here, suppose I wanna capture some this flower, okay, in front of me, and I just capture. After that, the remote and here plastic has been blurred. So this is the way how you can capture the use the portrait mode. While you are using the portrait mode, which one you want to highlight, you can just tap on that point. Suppose I want to highlight this, then you can highlight this options, and this all will be blur, okay. This way, this is how I touch and now capture the image, and here it has been highlighted. So friends, I hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.